Are you wearing way too many hats as an entrepreneur? Are you tired of having to close every deal for your company? Would you like to turn your salespeople into sales machines? Then don't flip the channel for the next 60 seconds because have we got the product for you.
Hi, I'm Mike Kilcoyne with Startup Denver.
And I'm Jay Mays with Pitch Lab. And we help entrepreneurs like you build a scalable sales team.
And we've designed an amazing workshop to help you create a scalable sales system for your business.
Learn how to prioritize your team's time to focus on the right deals. Take your sales pipeline review meetings from painful to productive. One second. What's that? You'd like to put in an order for $1 billion? I'll send over an SOW right away.
Stop wasting time and start building an amazing business that runs itself.
This 90-minute workshop is guaranteed to improve your sales process or your money back.
Actually, Jay, we're gonna have to have you do this one for free.
Okay, fine.